How's it going, everyone? It's Michael LaPont, and I am back, and I finally got a new shotgun microphone. It's been a long time, and I've been rocking this one for so long now. I have it all duct taped, and it's it's kind of sad and pathetic right now. And yeah, but sometimes you need a shotgun microphone, like a lot of the time, because it makes life easy sometimes. And yeah, I need a replacement. Well, thanks to Comica, I now have a replacement shotgun microphone. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. So as I said, that this one comes from Comica. And what makes this one interesting? Well, it hovers around the $30 price range, and it supports both phones and DSLR cameras, or cameras in general, as long as they have the 3.5 jack. It has a little shock mount that is somewhat reminiscent of another shotgun mic company that I know. And because of that, it says it has low self-noise, which means that if you bump into the camera and blow into the microphone and stuff like that, it's not really going to do much, which is nice, which is useful, because most microphones that are built into the cameras kind of, as soon as you touch the camera, it makes this rattling sound, this scraping sound, and it's very undesirable. So having a shock mount and having the microphone lifted above the rest of the camera makes it, yeah, it makes it a lot better, as you can imagine. Well, what are the frequency ranges? The frequency range is 40 Hz to 2 kilohertz. Max SPL is 100 decibels. The sensitivity is minus 34 decibels to plus 3 decibels. Signal to noise ratio is less than 68 decibels. The weight is 52 grams. And yeah, as you can see, it's a lot bigger than my original shotgun microphone, because it was just a little baby shotgun microphone. It was more like a little pistol microphone. I don't know. One thing I would like to highlight about this microphone is that it does not require batteries. Most shotgun microphones and most microphones in general that connect to a camera that are any good whatsoever require power. It helps boost everything. And I was skeptical when I first got this, because I saw that it did not receive power. And I was like, okay, well, first of all, having batteries on hand all the time for a microphone, or running out of batteries in the middle of a shoot, is always really annoying. So being able to go in and record audio with the camera without that is a big bonus. But I did have the question about whether or not that would work well, and since all the audio is recorded with this microphone, I think you can see that it does work, in fact, well. Now, this office I'm in isn't exactly ideal for recording audio, since I don't have my acoustic panels yet. I mean, if someone wants me to test some acoustic panels, message me. So being that it's not a great environment to record videos in, I still think the quality is good as well. Now, on the back of the microphone, there's a switch that goes between smartphones and cameras. Now, it's important that you toggle this to the appropriate setting, otherwise it will not work. But trying it on a phone, it does work, and it works really well. Although you'll probably have to get some kind of mounting system if you want to do videos with your phone, so that the little bracket can, you know, fit, because otherwise you're just gonna have it hanging, and that just looks weird. So quality-wise, I mean, it's definitely a big step up from just recording with the microphone that's in your camera, since that is gonna pick up on a whole bunch of interference with the camera, a lot of scratching, a lot of bumping, even wind. The microphone inside your camera is gonna pick up on every bit of wind, and it'll be like. But blowing into the microphone, I discovered that, you know, although you can hear a little bit of the sound of it getting blown into, it doesn't really take over all the audio. It's pretty extreme. Even with me just like spitting into the microphone, it did a fairly good job, and that's the point of the pop filter. So in outdoor environments, I think it would still do very well. I still feel that being powered, it would be able to pick up a little bit more audio. The fact that it equals, it seems, to my last microphone in quality that was powered, I think it does fine as it is. And the fact that it doesn't require power is pretty nice. pretty happy about that. So as it stands for a beginner wanting more equipment for their camera bag, something that they can always rely on, I think this might be a nice addition. So those are my closing comments for the day. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe for more. I get microphones like all the time. I get so many microphones. I don't know why people send microphones to me. I mean, I'm not even much of an audio guy. I just, yeah. But I do use them in these videos all the time, so, well, thank you. Alright guys, that's enough of my face for today. I'll see you guys soon.